Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to our brand new video. You can see here have one red color trucks and four yellow color trucks. There is red color and yellow color combination. Guys, you also can see there have some vehicles. There have a bike and pink color taxi. You can see the pink color taxi looking good and one red color bus. Two excavator is yellow color, one taxi that is yellow color, one construction vehicle. You can see guys, the construction vehicle looking good is sky color, and this construction vehicle name is fire rescue car. It is using for fire rescue. Put into truck guys. And what is the next one vehicle? You can see guys, what is the next one? The next one vehicle is mini excavator, yellow color mini excavator, red color and white color wheels. You can see looking good. One have yellow bucket in the front. You can see put into truck guys. And what is the next one guys? We can see is big excavator, yellow color and black color combination, black color wheels and black color bucket. Put into truck guys. What is the next one guys? We can see what is the next one vehicle. The next one vehicle is, we can see guys, the next one vehicle guys, you can see, wow, pink color and orange color combination, orange color wheels, four orange color seats. Put in a truck guys. What is the next one guys? It is a bike, R17 bike, two wheels and two mini wheels in the bike. You can see red color and put into truck guys, red color and red color combination guys. All are the vehicles looking good guys. That's all for today guys. Now we can go our destination. Bye bye guys.